Your kidneys are your body's natural detox system, filtering out waste and toxins every single day. But what if I told you that some simple, natural fruits could supercharge your kidney health and even help prevent dialysis? Stay with me until the end, because today we're revealing the 8 most powerful kidney cleansing fruits that can transform your health. Kidney disease is a growing problem worldwide, affecting millions of people. Your kidneys work 24/7 to filter waste, regulate blood pressure, and balance essential minerals in your body. But poor diet, dehydration, and toxins can overload them. Luckily, nature provides us with some amazing fruits that help cleanse, restore, and strengthen kidney function. If you or someone you love is dealing with kidney issues, this is the video you need to watch. 1. Cranberries, the ultimate kidney protector. First on our list is cranberries. These little red berries are famous for fighting urinary tract infections. But did you know they also protect your kidneys? Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract lining. This reduces the risk of infections that can damage your kidneys over time. How to use: drink unsweetened cranberry juice or eat fresh cranberries regularly to keep your kidneys free from harmful bacteria and toxins. 2. Blueberries, your kidney's best friend. Next up, we have blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Kidney disease often worsens due to chronic inflammation, and blueberries help slow down this process. How to use: add blueberries to your breakfast, smoothies, or eat them as a snack. Just a handful a day can make a big difference. 3. Watermelon, the hydration king. Hydration is key to kidney health, and watermelon is one of the most hydrating fruits on the planet. With over 90% water content, watermelon helps flush out toxins, reducing the workload on your kidneys. Plus, it contains lycopene, which helps lower inflammation and protect against kidney damage. How to use: eat fresh watermelon or blend it into a refreshing juice, but avoid adding extra sugar. 4. Apples, the fiber detox. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and this is especially true for kidney health. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that helps lower cholesterol and reduce toxins in the blood, lightening the load on your kidneys. How to use: eat 1 fresh apple daily, preferably with the skin on for maximum benefits. 5. Pineapple, the anti-inflammatory wonder. Pineapple is another kidney-friendly fruit thanks to its high levels of bromelain, an enzyme with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Many kidney diseases are worsened by inflammation, so eating pineapple can help reduce swelling and improve kidney function. How to use: eat fresh pineapple or blend it into a smoothie. Avoid canned versions with added sugar. 6. Pomegranates, the blood purifier. Pomegranates are one of the best fruits for kidney detoxification because they help regulate blood pressure and flush out toxins. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, so keeping it in check is essential. How to use: drink fresh pomegranate juice or eat the seeds for maximum benefits. 7. Strawberries, the toxin fighter. Strawberries are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which help reduce kidney inflammation and eliminate harmful waste from your body. Plus, they contain ellagic acid, which helps protect kidney cells from damage. How to use: add strawberries to your yogurt, smoothies, or eat them fresh as a snack. 8. Cherries, the uric acid cleanser. Finally, we have cherries. If you suffer from kidney problems or high uric acid levels, cherries are a must-have. They help reduce uric acid buildup, which can lead to kidney stones and gout. Plus, they contain melatonin, which promotes better sleep, another key factor in overall kidney health. How to use: eat a small handful of cherries daily, or drink natural cherry juice for best results. Your kidneys work hard every single day, but they need your help. By adding these 8 powerful fruits to your daily diet, you can detox your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and even prevent serious kidney issues like dialysis. Start making these simple changes today and give your kidneys the care they deserve. Have you tried any of these fruits for kidney health? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share with friends and family who need this information. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips.